Welcome to another Hybrid Pro tutorial. Today we are diving deep into the Target Quality Checker, Expiration Time for Tasks, Debug Mode, and Advanced Settings features. If you're looking to optimize your automation setup and improve your targeting, this video is for you. Let's get started. Section 1. Target Quality Checking. What is target quality tracking? This feature helps you identify the quality of the targets before interacting with them. By default, Hybrid Pro stores this data for 30 days. The quality of a target is crucial in defining the success of engagement actions. How to enable it? Simply check the box next to Enable Target Quality Tracking. The system will then analyze interactions and store quality metrics. If you need to recalculate without waiting for the default 7-day cycle, you can use Flush Target Quality Tracking data. Section 2. Task Expiration. Why use task expiration? If you are managing multiple client accounts or time-sensitive automation tasks, setting an expiration date helps prevent unnecessary actions. How to set expiration? Check the box next to Set Task Expiration. Choose a specific date and time for when the task should automatically stop. This is helpful for campaigns or temporary automation strategies. Section 3. Debug Mode. What is Debug Mode? Debug Mode helps you see additional logs and diagnostic information. This is especially useful for troubleshooting any automation issues. How to enable Debug Mode. Simply check the box labeled Enable Debug Mode. This will display extra logs in the Activity Log section for better monitoring. Keep in mind that enabling this mode may increase log data, so use it only when needed. Section 4. Advanced Settings. Additional settings for pro users. Hybrid Algorithm. If enabled, API-based actions will be mixed with real Android device actions to improve safety and efficiency. Hiker API and Social API. Scraper Hash. Use third-party scrapers to collect data without using your accounts for scraping. Reset. Hard limit counters at midnight. Resets limits daily for fresh actions. Keywords. Cleaner. Removes non-performing keywords after multiple failed attempts. Use getLikers instead of getLikers chrono. Adjusts the function used for scraping likers. Requires higher delay settings for safety. Final thoughts. By utilizing these features, you can optimize your automation, improve efficiency, and ensure better targeting for your Hybrid Pro workflows. Comment below if you have any questions or need additional explanations. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay updated on our latest tutorials. See you in the next video. Happy automating!